Hi there, it's Mahdi, and along with my co-instructors, we are so glad to be introducing to you an online forecasting course we have prepared that will help you master the topic. Forecasting is a topic important in many industries. Take the energy industry as one example. Different stakeholders use long and short-term forecasts for various purposes, from day-ahead trading to planning for extreme weather events. These forecasts are so important that improving them even marginally can result in significant dollar savings for the operators. Retail is another industry in which forecasting has many applications with its own specific challenges. So there is no lack of forecasting applications in different industries. But still, forecasting remains a topic difficult to master. There is so much to learn and so many resources out there, but the learning material is typically fragmented, sometimes useful, often not very much. This makes it challenging for somebody who doesn't have the years of experience to distinguish a sound resource from something that is just superficial, and that creates problems. For example, a common pitfall in forecasting is to take a machine learning model and apply the forecasting problem as if that problem were just like any other regression problem in machine learning. There are many more pitfalls like that, such as avoiding temporal leakage or clean evaluation, that one needs to be careful about. Experienced practitioners face a different challenge, which is keeping up with the new papers and techniques while trying to distinguish real progress from empty hypes. For instance, right now there is so much going on in the topic of foundation models for forecasting. Not everybody has the hours and hours required to dig into the papers, understand them with enough depth to then decide whether the material presented in the paper can be useful for their application of interest or not. Our course is designed having in mind all these different challenges that practitioners with different levels of experience face. It will cover everything from foundations to more advanced topics such as probabilistic forecasting using conformal prediction or spatiotemporal forecasting using graph neural networks. There will be also an emphasis on hands-on tools implemented within the sktime framework, which is one of the most, if not the most, commonly used forecasting libraries. It's the only library that integrates and interoperates with an otherwise fragmented ecosystem of software tools. Some of the core developers of the library are in our team of co-instructors, and together we have more than 40 years of forecasting experience. The course will begin with my co-instructor Robert getting you started with sktime and teaching you core topics such as statistical methods for univariate and multivariate forecasting, incorporating exogenous variables, turning sklearn models into forecasters, feature engineering, and more. Then Felipe will teach forecasting hierarchical data and show how sktime makes that type of forecasting and building production-ready workflows very user-friendly. Franz will teach you about probabilistic forecasting using various methods such as bootstrap and conformal prediction, and how to interpret and evaluate probabilistic forecasts. You will learn about deep learning-based forecasting methods, including foundation models and spatiotemporal forecasting using graph neural networks. The course will also teach you how to leverage the general interface provided by the sktime framework in developing custom forecasting methods and components. In short, our primary goal is for you to leave the course with a comprehensive knowledge of the topic obtained in a short period of time. But we don't stop there. This isn't a course where after the course ends, you are left on your own with your next forecasting steps, whatever they may be. Instead, our second goal is for the participants to get well integrated into sktime's large community of active users and developers whose support with your application of interest can continue beyond the course's end date. Myself and my co-instructors are very excited to start this course, and we hope to see you all there.